As part of the steps of disassembling the pool, I've removed the caps on top of each post and removed the screws on them. And after removing the screws, you remove the side railings. And the next task will be to remove the post caps. The post caps are held down by clips, which if you take a screwdriver and you press into this area and lift, will pry them up. So basically, push and lift. Each one of the end caps goes down over the rail, and so you have to lift it up. Yep, that one's still a little cranky. Let's try this one. Each one of the end caps goes over the rails, and they pull back. The railings themselves will lift right off. Now I've numbered each of my pieces. You'll see there may be a little 17 right here, and I'm trying to make it so all the pieces are going to be numbered sequentially so that if I ever have to put it back together, I'll know pieces that were near each other and at least had holes that were aligned with each other. We'll see if that pays off when I put it back together again. Underneath each railing, as you lift it up, there is a plastic or rubber sleeve that I assume just helps to hold down the liner, and which has to be removed as well and stored. While the pool is draining and we've pulled off the side railings, I'm starting to focus on disconnecting the pool pumps and the various things here. There are some nuts behind here for a single panel where the filter goes on that needs to be removed. And you can see on the inside here that it was secured with duct tape, which I find very interesting. It's lasted for many, many years, it seems, but duct tape has been used to secure that on the inside and across the top rib. Go. The bottom rails themselves are put together with an interlocking grip. And so their screw for the post went in here, but once you remove the screw, this can be removed. My son's now going to lift this up and just pull, and you'll see it slide out. There you go. And the pool is down. Rails are stacked, ready for storage. tie everything up. Probably about 6 hours worth all along, and that was simply because it took us a while to make sure we weren't breaking anything and when we were taking it apart.